Okay, don't start it all the way. Just barely bump it. Push the gas pedal a couple times. Barely bump it. Try to turn it without actually starting it. Get that carburetor. Get the choke fluid because you might have to get it to prime like that. Ain't got no gas in it. Should be. Give it a spray down in there before she tries. There's no power. Hit the gas pedal. The lights are on in the floorboard. Try to start it. Stop. We got gas flowing.
Yeah, she's gonna run. She's gonna be loud.
It's gonna be loud.
But you need to be over here to start timing it.
Yeah.
That scared me. I didn't think it was gonna do it that quick.
Okay, go.
Give it another squirt. Go ahead.
What do you think? Hit the gas.
I got the gas.
Give it a minute. Just a minute.
It's timing good.
Yeah, it is. Hold on. I'm listening to it. Oh yeah. This one right here, we're gonna burn the tires off this one. Definitely gotta white smoke it at least once or twice. I'll buy new tires for Mom. And then
She started up real easy. One or two squirts of some spray, and I mean, she cranked right over. She sounds happy.
boy, she sounds so mean. I can't wait to drive this baby. Boy, I tell you.
It's gonna be nice.
Horsepower definitely at least 100, 200.
It's gonna be nice. We're gonna take it to the exhaust shop next after we get these little few things buttoned up.
Got the side exhaust. Right, I'm gonna have that. It's the shorties. Mama don't want to burn her legs. We'll have them painted, powder coated, whatever. Probably black. The car is gonna go black, but it's emerald green. At the same time, it's gonna have that emerald green shimmer to it. So it's gonna look real nice with the peanut butter interior, all the chrome. We gotta top off this transmission right quick. Of course, I gotta do that while it's running.
Yes, sir.
But we wanted to get the timing just about right.
New little dipstick.
It's close enough for ear to my liking.
We'll really know once he gets out there and gets on a little bit. If it stumbles or something, we can do a little adjusting. But that sucker cranked right up. I mean, first hit of the the key, it came to life, killed it real quick, and then started right back up, let it run for a second. And you notice it didn't do any smoking.
Yeah, no smoking. Sounded beautiful, actually.
All right, well, we're gonna get to buttoning up a few things,
Yeah, a
and
few more things to do.
hopefully we can maybe back it out of here in a minute. We'll be back at you. All right, we got her started. He tried to do a little timing on it. She sounded pretty good.
I like it right there.
All right, let's kill it so I can check those fan bolts.
Okay, turn it off. Now that is one sweet ride now, guys. Full upgrade with this Edelbrock manifold, carburetor. Man, we did all kinds of new stuff to this. Much chrome as we could. We got the water pump on. We did it slow, nice and easy. Had a couple of hiccups, but you know, that's how it always goes most of the time. So now we got it running. Next stage is I just got to replace the rear end differential fluid right quick because it's been its miles for the break-in, and new Bronson head's gonna go back.
All right, guys. I don't know why my camera's doing that. She's under her own power. She is backed out. She is looking pretty.
Hell yeah.
She is about ready for a test drive here soon. Sounded really good. Maybe a little bit better timing. Get a time light, time that booger a little bit better. What do you say?
I think the timing's up just a little bit.
That's exactly what I just said.
Yeah. I mean, if RPM's at 1,000, I'd like it around about 8. You don't have such a hard shift once you put it into gear.
Yeah.
Other than that, I'm happy with it 100%.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
ready to drive the baby. So, just got to get the side exhaust put on. Maybe we can go drop that off at the shop tomorrow and we can get it done.
Hey, but guess what's going to be coming up next? That bad boy right there.
Yeah. Okay, so here I'm under the car. I'm sucking all the rear end differential fluid out. Finally hit the mile marker of, was it 500 miles? I think that's what it says. So I'm just gonna suck it all out right quick and replace it with that new juice so we can do some burnouts, man.
Oh, let me get in position. Sorry.
Okay, so here we are putting the new fluid in. It'll take a little bit. Gotta squeeze it in because there's no room to get here with the bottle. Just to pour it in, of course. So we'll put this first one in, then top it off with the second one. Yeah, to keep the stuff off of it.
Yeah, you got a cover right there. I just gonna throw it on there.
Well, I need to start going through your parts, see what we got.
Rinse it off. I just want to know before I let the dogs out. What's in there?
And clamp it. Okay, Chloe, watch out. Watch out. Perfect.
A lot better than the other one, that's for sure.
Okay, he's trying to sell it $700. It's an 88 Jaguar XJ6. Pretty straight, clean body. Man, there's still cool body styles. You got to do a bunch of modifications and stuff on them, but
That your model's my favorite.
is it? He said you had one.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, but it's got to be the 5-speed, and you gotta, you know what I mean. Looks like there was a fire. There's a fire here somewhere.
Interior better than Jaguar in this.
I know.
Yeah, look in there. Like, what?
Yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
What about this Nissan? So I came over here, guys, to try to find a car for my daughter. I was talking to this guy, looking for something SUV. There's a Nissan Pathfinder. It's got the keys in it. Not too bad.
I think it's pretty decent looking.
Scion.
That Infiniti, and then a Volvo.
Yeah, the Volvo. This one's for sale too. That one's for sale too. This one here, it's got electrical short. It keeps draining the battery, but I just got it from Oklahoma this weekend.
Yeah, Scions are cool.
Yeah,
You can buy mods for these.
Yeah,
gas saver too.
dude, they're fast, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, my buddy had one. He actually
Right.
hit right in the front.
Ford
did he?
Explorer.
Went through a yield sign in a big truck
Yeah.
and it jumped his car.
Oh, dude.
His was fast.
Uh-huh.
I had one of these too.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
and
had one,
dude, these engines are freaking expensive, man.
Watch out.
Yeah.
VTEC, come out of record.
Uh-huh.
69,000.
Oh, dude. Oh, okay. Oh, heck yeah.
Expedition.
Expedition, yep.
Taking pictures for my daughter.
Oh, yeah, go for it, man. Yeah. Yeah, it's all right. It's got a little problems with the, this one here, the ABS light and the brake light is on. That means the module is, be careful, bro. That first step is a doozy.
It's a doozy, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then the Range Rover.
And then the Land Rover.
Land
That one
Rover.
there, yeah, the tires keeps going flat on there. I got to get them replaced.
Needs a new tire.
Yeah, but other than that, man, this one.
Bumpers jacked up.
Yeah, you know, and these plastic bumpers are hard as hell to find. They're in both of them, the front and the back.
You can't find one online?
Dude, no, they sell the steel bumpers. They sell the steel bumpers all day long.
Oh, okay. I'll just put a steel bumper on it.
The steel bumpers, they got them all day long, man. And this one, believe it or not, this was our daily driver for a long time.
Was it?
And for some reason, they don't start on the first on the first hit. Yeah. They never. And this one I've never. And it's got this one here's got brand new heads.
This one run and drive?
Yeah, this one's got brand new heads on it, and yeah, this one here is not running yet.
So if you was gonna put your daughter in this Land Rover, what would you want to fix on it?
Okay.
Cosmetics, that's nothing.
Yeah,
I mean, that's-
well, if you're gonna put her on this, well, of course you're gonna need tires.
yeah,
you
tires
need
all the way
tires.
around.
And okay, tires.
Inside look pretty good.
It was decent.
And dude, and just the hard to start, but we've been driving this thing like this for 5 years,
Yeah.
and even
Yeah.
with the new heads, it's always been like this. See, I'll show you.
like it's got a prime. Fuel injected, you don't have to hit the pedal at all.
No. And he hasn't been started in a while.
Yeah.
The tilt and everything is off. That's why all that is on. It wasn't
Yeah.
on before.
Get
Oh, there
that
it
check
goes.
engine light off.
The check engine light is the cats, but I'll put cats on it for you.
Okay.
I'll put cats on it. All
Yeah,
it is.
anything. I'm the type of person that anything that you think that it need.
Yeah.